A 2-goal lead at the hour mark. They lost 3-2. Now an opportunity for Mojela! Oh, man! Oh, wow! What a goal! And to score it in a cup final! Mojela! Heading towards the half-time break as Dionato takes aim. Oh! And it's been banged back in by none other than Monapule Saleng. And no wonder the spotlight was on his fitness this week. Battered by Ismail Toure. Oh! Well, he won't mind at all. Now in the closing moments, there's an opportunity here for Mofokeng to surely wrap it up, and he has. Well, when we look back in history and see this scoreline, it certainly won't reflect the tight nature of the game. But 3 goals for Orlando Pirates.